morning to all. I am Sarthak Singh from class 5H. Today, when we all Indians are rejoicing the remarkable achievement of Chandrayaan-3 soft landing on south pole of the moon, I would like to brief you how the space research has come to this stage. The space race. The World War II ended with the devastating effect of nuclear bombing on Japan. There was huge loss of lives during the war, and it was evident that the country which has the latest technology for military will dominate the world. This led to the Cold War between USA and Soviet Union. Both the countries engaged in fierce competition of nuclear and space exploration. From late 50s to early 70s was golden era of space exploration, which led to the foundation for future missions. Both nations competed to achieve major milestones such as sending first satellite into space, Sputnik 1, Yuri Gagarin as first human in the space, and Apollo 11's moon landing, and many more. It was July 20th, 1969, the historic day when Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin landed on the moon. So far, only NASA has been able to send manned mission to the moon. In total, 12 astronauts landed on the moon and all are Americans. Slowly, this race has ended in the next few years, which required huge investment. Both the nations signed Outer Space Treaty in 1967, which prohibits the use of any celestial body for military or nuclear use. The Indian Space Program. The father of Indian Space Program, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, studied in Cambridge University and was trained by renowned scientist Dr. C.V. Raman. He convinced Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru to start India's own space program, and in 1969, Indian Space Research Organization ISRO was formed. Initially, Indian Space Program was started for peaceful purpose. However, the father of Indian nuclear program, Dr. Homi Bhabha, convinced Dr. Vikram Sarabhai that India needs to boost its nuclear capability for its own security, as India fought 3 wars within a decade. This led to the testing of nuclear bomb in 1974 at Pokhran. Even before the launching of India's own satellite, Aryabhatta, in 1975, with the help of Soviet Union. Although both pioneer scientists died at early age, they have laid the foundation for a bright future ahead. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was trained by Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, and he continued his legacy. Dr. Satish Dhawan headed the ISRO in the following years. The space station in Sriharikota is named after him. ISRO's cost effectiveness, reliable launches, and successful missions have positioned India as a significant player in the global space community. Why do India needed a more advanced space program? During Kargil War in 1999, India requested USA to share the GPS location of Pakistani bunkers which were located at the top of Kargil mountains, but US refused to share the locations. Desperate India felt the need of their own advanced space program. Finally, in 2013, India launched its own navigation system called NAVIC, which stands for Navigation with Indian Constellation. These satellites play a key role by keeping an eye on the international borders. The peaceful use of space technology includes weather forecasting, disaster management, timely evacuation, satellite communication, navigation, and tracking vehicular movements. Why the moon exploration? It is the nearest celestial body, which is 3.84 lakh kilometers away from us. Interestingly, the rotation and revolution time of the moon is almost same, that is 27 days. This phenomenon is called tidal locking. Hence, we are always able to see only one side of the moon. The side facing the earth is called near side, while the opposite side is called far side. Almost all the moon explorations has taken place on the near side only. The near side has more craters due to asteroid impacts, and one lunar day equals 14 Earth days. In South Pole, scientists believe that there could be abundance of water due to extremely low temperatures. From water, hydrogen and oxygen can be separated. Hydrogen and oxygen can be used as rocket fuel, and oxygen can be used as support air for breathing. Chandrayaan 3 has solar-powered lander and rover module. It has 14 Earth days to complete all the tests before it will be darkness again in that region. Conclusion: soft landing on moon is the remarkable achievement considering the budget for the mission rupees 650 crores only, and definitely established ISRO as a space powerhouse. It will also attract huge investment for future missions and collaboration with other space agencies. And the day has come when India will now build its own powerful rockets and not just depend on slingshot method to reach in space. All space agencies have new missions lined up in this decade. Space exploration has its own dark side. More exploration will lead to more space junk roaming in the space. Will the history repeat again for the another space race? We have to wait and watch. Thank you and have a nice day.